my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy you are here today to practice with me. Today, we are going to learn how to talk to the police. We are going to talk about at the police station. Sometimes, we lose something important like a bag or a phone. Or maybe we need help in a new city. Going to a police station can feel a little scary, but don't worry. The police are there to help you. In this lesson, we will learn the simple words you need to report a problem and ask for assistance. We will follow a story about Sophie. Sophie is on vacation, but she has a problem. She cannot find her bag. We will listen to how she explains this to the officer. I will speak very slowly. I will use very simple sentences. After the story, we will have our repeat after me section to practice your speaking. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. It is a Tuesday afternoon. Sophie is in a beautiful park in the center of the city. She is sitting on a bench, eating a sandwich and looking at the flowers. After lunch, Sophie stands up. She wants to take a photo of a fountain. She walks to the fountain, takes a photo, and then she looks at her shoulder. Her bag is gone. Sophie looks back at the bench. The bench is empty. Her bag is not there. Sophie feels a little bit panicked. Her heart is beating fast. Inside the bag, she has her wallet, her keys, and her notebook. Sophie says,
"Oh no, where is my bag?"
She looks under the bench. She looks in the grass. She cannot find it. Sophie sees a park worker nearby. Sophie says,
"Excuse me, I lost my bag. Is there a police station near here?"
The worker says,
Yes. Walk straight to the end of the street. The police station is a big blue building on the corner.
Sophie walks quickly. She finds the big blue building. Above the door, it says, Police Station. Sophie walks inside. It is very clean and quiet. There is a tall desk at the front. A police officer is sitting behind the desk. He is wearing a dark blue uniform. His name tag says Officer Brown. Sophie walks to the desk. Sophie says, her voice is a little bit shaky.
"Hello."
Officer Brown says, he has a calm and kind voice.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Sophie says,
"I want to report a lost bag."
I am sorry to hear that. Please, do not worry. We will try to help you. I need to ask you some questions.
Officer Brown takes a piece of paper. This is a police report.
First, what is your name?
My name is Sophie Miller.
And where do you live, Sophie?
I am a visitor. I am staying at the Grand Hotel on Main Street.
The officer writes down the information.
Okay. Now, tell me about your bag. What does it look like?
Sophie thinks carefully. She wants to use simple words to describe it. It is a small bag. It is brown and made of leather. It has a long strap.
What was inside the bag?
My wallet is inside. My house keys are there, too. And a small blue notebook.
Was there a phone in the bag?
No, my phone is in my pocket. I have it here.
That is very good. Where did you see the bag last?
In the park. I was sitting on a bench near the fountain. I stood up for 1 minute, and then the bag was gone.
Officer Brown finishes writing.
Thank you, Sophie. You did a great job explaining. I will call the park security. Sometimes, people find bags and bring them to us.
Suddenly, the telephone on the desk rings. Officer Brown answers the phone. He listens for a moment. He smiles at Sophie. He says,
Sophie, good news. A woman found a brown bag near the fountain. She gave it to a park ranger. The ranger is bringing it here now.
10 minutes later, a park ranger walks into the station. He is holding a small brown bag. The ranger asks,
Is this your bag?
Sophie smiles. She feels so happy.
Yes. That is my bag. Thank you so much.
Officer Brown looks inside the bag.
Is everything here? Your wallet. Your keys.
Sophie looks inside.
Yes. My wallet is here. My keys are here. Everything is safe.
Officer Brown says,
That is wonderful. In the future, please keep your bag close to you in the park.
I will, thank you, officer. You were very kind.
You are welcome, Sophie. Enjoy the rest of your vacation.
Sophie walks out of the police station. She feels very lucky. She used her English to explain her problem, and she got her bag back. She walks back to her hotel, holding her bag very tightly. Now, let's practice your speaking. I will say a useful sentence. I will pause, and you repeat the sentence out loud. Let's practice talking to the police. Where is the police station? I lost my bag in the park. I want to report a problem. My bag is small and brown. My wallet was inside. I am staying at a hotel. Can you help me, please? I am a visitor here. Thank you for your help, officer. Everything is inside the bag. I feel much better now. Have a safe day. Now, I will tell the story again, but a little bit faster. Listen to how the words flow together in a normal conversation. Don't worry, just listen. Sophie was sitting in the park when she realized her brown leather bag was missing. She was very worried because her wallet and keys were inside. She went to the nearby police station and spoke with Officer Brown. She told him her name, where she was staying, and described her bag. While they were talking, someone found the bag and gave it to a park ranger. The ranger brought the bag to the station, and Sophie was so happy to find that everything was still inside. She thanked the officer and promised to be more careful with her things in the future. You did a fantastic job today. Talking to the police is a very important skill, and you practiced it perfectly. Remember, stay calm, use simple words, and people will understand you. I am very proud of your progress. Thank you so much for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you found this lesson helpful, please click the like button. It helps me know you like these stories. Share this video with a friend who is traveling soon. And if you want more slow and easy English lessons, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell. I have a question for you. Have you ever lost something important? What was it? Tell me your story in the comments below. I love reading your comments and I will reply to you. Keep practicing, stay safe, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.